When homeowners in Frisco think about upgrading their property, window installation is often one of the first projects to consider. While many see it primarily as a way to enhance curb appeal, new windows do far more than make your home look good. They play a crucial role in improving both home security and overall comfort, creating a safer and more enjoyable living environment for you and your family. Strengthening home security. One of the most important benefits of professional window installation in Frisco is the enhanced security it brings. Outdated or poorly fitted windows can be a weak spot in your home, making it easier for intruders to gain access. Modern windows are built with advanced locking systems, reinforced glass, and stronger frames that deter break-ins. For example, double or triple pane glass is not only energy efficient but also much harder to break compared to older single pane styles. Laminated or tempered glass options further strengthen your home's defense. In addition, multi-point locking systems ensure that windows stay tightly secured, reducing the risk of forced entry. By investing in high-quality window installation, Frisco homeowners can enjoy peace of mind knowing their property is better protected. Security film options and shatter-resistant materials add yet another layer of safety, making your windows as strong as they are stylish. Enhancing energy efficiency and indoor comfort. Beyond security, window installation in Frisco dramatically improves indoor comfort. North Texas is known for its hot summers and unpredictable seasonal changes, which can put a strain on your air conditioning and heating systems. Outdated windows often allow drafts, UV rays, and heat transfer to impact your indoor environment. With today's energy-efficient window designs, homeowners benefit from low-E coatings, insulated glass, and tightly sealed frames. These features work together to block excessive heat during the summer and retain warmth during the winter. This not only stabilizes indoor temperatures but also reduces energy bills month after month. In practical terms, that means your home stays cooler in July and cozier in January without your HVAC system working overtime. The result? A more comfortable living space and noticeable savings on utility costs. Reducing noise for a quieter home comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about creating a peaceful environment. For many Frisco neighborhoods, outside noise from traffic, construction, or nearby activity can interrupt your home's tranquility. Modern windows with double or triple pane glass provide excellent sound insulation, reducing unwanted noise and making it easier to relax indoors. This is particularly valuable for families with young children, home offices, or anyone who values peace and quiet. Adding value to your home. Another advantage of window installation in Frisco is the increase in property value. Buyers recognize the importance of modern, secure, and efficient windows, making them a highly desirable feature when it comes time to sell. The combination of safety, energy savings, and comfort means your home becomes more attractive on the market. Choosing the right professional to fully enjoy these benefits, it's important to work with trusted window installation experts in Frisco. Professional installers ensure that windows are measured accurately, sealed properly, and fitted with precision. Poor installation can lead to gaps, leaks, and security risks, so partnering with skilled technicians is essential. Reputable companies also offer guidance on choosing the best window styles and materials for your home's unique needs. Whether you prefer sleek modern designs, classic frames, or enhanced safety features, the right team will help you find a solution that balances beauty, comfort, and security. Final thoughts. Window Installation in Frisco offers more than just a fresh look for your home. It is an investment in security, energy efficiency, comfort, and long-term value. With advanced designs, durable materials, and professional installation, you can create a home environment that's safer, quieter, and more enjoyable year-round. If you're ready to improve your living space while protecting your family, now is the perfect time to consider upgrading your windows. The right installation doesn't just transform your house, it transforms your everyday life.